All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like reading?
Well, yes, I like I like reading books, novel, and newspaper, etc. Like this. On on the physical side and on the social side, both are I love to reading.
I love to read
I love
books,
to read
or to
books.
answer your
And,
question, I really like reading.
and
Okay, do you like to read at home or in the library?
well, love to read at library because there is a atmosphere where we can read very peacefully. We can enjoy our reading. In home, there is a disturbance occurs in every minute. So I love to reading in library. Reading.
Okay, in what places do you think it is difficult to read?
Like in public spaces, in public gatherings, it's difficult to reading in where the crowds are very high, so they're difficult to reading in this.
Okay, just try to use other words for difficult, and
It's
when you
hard.
answer, try to use 3 4 different words in every answer. For example, in what places do you think it is difficult to read? Well, whenever you are at any public place, it's a real challenge to read anything because you cannot pay attention. You are trying to read and then people are making noise all around you. So I think if you are at a crowded place, then it's a real challenge to read anything.
Yes.
Or for difficult, you can use the word it's not easy to
It's
read.
not easy, it's
So
hard.
variety of words will bring you good bench score. Okay.
Tried on it.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank